Hey guys, welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys and talking about the best VPNs of 2025. And this won't be an in-depth review because I'm already working on that. So if you want to see me actually test all three VPNs, which I have already done, and break down their performances, make sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure you also turn on notification so that you get a notification when that video is uploaded. Now, this video is more of a listicle style rundown of my top 3 picks, and I'm gonna make sure this video is not too long. Now, before I list them, let me take you guys back a bit. I remember using VPNs as far back as 2016, 2017. Back then, I used to use an old HP laptop, and for some reason, I had like 5 different VPNs installed at once. I used to mess around with different ones like Hotspot Shield, CyberGhost, and Betternet. Those were some of the big names back then, but VPNs have come a long way since those days, because while I was doing my exclusive testing, I found out that these names are not even in the top 10 best VPNs today. Now, I remember using some free VPN back then, and it will randomly disconnect without telling me. I would think I was still protected, but my real IP was just out there in the wild. That was crazy. But today, VPNs have gotten way smarter. They have kill switches to prevent accidental leaks. They have better encryptions and even features like split tunneling, so you can choose which apps use the VPN and which ones don't. So now that brings us to my top 3 VPNs of 2025. Now, today we are going to be starting with NordVPN. And there's no way you're someone that wants to be using VPNs and you have definitely not been suggested NordVPN in the past. And it's because it's simply the best for security and privacy. It's one of the most trusted VPNs. It comes with military grade encryption and a strict no logs policy, meaning it does not keep any of your online activity. And it also has an extra layer of security with double VPN that routes your traffic through 2 different servers for extra privacy. And it's also one of the fastest VPNs out there. Now, the second VPN I'm going to be talking about today is called Surfshark VPN. And one thing about Surfshark VPN is it has been endorsed by a lot of content creators, and I'm also going to be endorsing this because I have used this for about 2 weeks or so, and it's definitely one of the best for unlimited devices. That is basically what it is marketed at, a fast VPN for unlimited devices. And it's also one of the cheapest VPNs out there, meaning it is one of the most budget VPNs. You can see it goes for about 219 USD per month, and then you get 3 months extra on your first purchase. And now all these VPNs, the 3 VPNs I'm going to be listing, if you guys want to get this and get a discount, make sure you check my description. I've put links there where you can download these VPNs and get a discount, and using it on unlimited devices while getting just one subscription, which makes it perfect if you have a lot of gadgets or you just want to share with family. And it also comes with clean web, which blocks ad trackers and also malware while you browse. Now, the third VPN I'm going to be talking about today and I'm going to be recommending is called ExpressVPN. And ExpressVPN is the best VPN for both streamers and also streaming platforms. Now, if you're someone that streams and you want your streams to be in a different location, maybe a location that has a high RPM tier for payments, ExpressVPN is the best for you. And if you're also someone that streams movies a lot, or you want to get movies that are not currently available in your country and you're looking for the best speed, when you use Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus, ExpressVPN is definitely the way to go. And it's also one of the most private VPNs out there because of its trusted server technology. And now, why these 3 VPNs stand out to me is, number one, they have very strong encryption. Number two, they have no log policies, meaning they don't store or track your browsing history. Number three, they have very fast speed because nobody wants a VPN that is going to slow them down. Number four, they all work for streaming, and then they come with a lot of extra features like ad blockers, malware protection, and even multi-hub connections. Now, of course, no VPN is perfect, and some of them have drawbacks like higher pricing. That's like NordVPN and also Express. They are a little bit pricier when you're paying for annual plans, and some of them have limited simultaneous connections. That's something that I really love Surfshark for. They have large simultaneous connections, and some don't even work in certain countries. So I'm going to be breaking all that down in my next video when I test them live. Now, if you want to get any of this VPN, like I said before, you can check my special discount links in the description, and you can also save money while getting the best protection for your privacy. So yeah, VPNs are more important than ever in 2025, whether it's for your security, your privacy, or just accessing content freely. A good VPN is basically a must have. have. So if you guys want to see me put these VPNs to the test, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss